Hello, my name is Roy and I'll be in the third grade wildlife worksheet. Okay, so we could do number 1, 4, 8, and 11. Let me change the colors. Okay, 62, place values. So, place values represent how large the number is going to be. So, if there's like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Actually, that's too much. Okay, that's going to go up to 4. Okay, so the way right one is called the ones place. And then this one is the 10th place. Sorry, I can't write because I'm writing with my finger. And this one is the hundredths place. This one is the thousandths place. Okay, so this one, there's two numbers, and it's 62, and it's trying to tell us what the 6th value is. So that one should be 10. So this one is in the 10th value. 92, that's also talking about the first value. So that's also going to be the 10th. Okay, 369. Talk about the third. There's 3 numbers. Let's talk about the first one. So that one should be 100th place. 100th place. 100. Okay, now this one has 4 numbers, but it's 8,643. And it is talk about the first one there. And since there's 4 numbers, it's gonna be the thousandths place. Okay, even and odd. Okay, even means it's divisible by 2, and odd means it's not divisible by 2. So 6, it is divisible by 2 because 3 times 2 is, no, like something. If there's 2 numbers I could evenly multiply, if there's 2 numbers I could multiply to that number, then it is an even. So there's 3 times 2, 2 times 3, yeah, so this one would be even. Okay, 63. 63 cannot be divisible by 2. The closest one is probably 62, which is 31 times 2. So this one would be odd, because it can't be divisible by 2. 26. 26 is an even number because it's divisible by 2, which is divisible by 13 times 2, or, yeah, but, yeah. So this one would be even. Okay, 45. 45 is not divisible by 2. 44 is divisible by 2, which it would be 22 times 2, but 45, we can't do that, so this one is odd. 22. 22 is divisible by 2, which is 11 times 2, so that one would be even. Okay, multiplication. Okay, 8 times 5, which basically means 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 5 plus 5 plus 5, 8 times. Or you could draw like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8 in each. And if you do that, and if you count all those up, it goes 40. Okay, 2 times 6. That basically means 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 times, or you could do 6 plus 6, which that'd be easier. Or you could like solve it right out, which would be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and oops. What am I doing? Okay, so this should, if you count that up, that equals 12. Okay, 11 times 6. That basically means 11 times 6. And that equals 66. Or you could do like 11 plus 11 plus 11, but this way would be easiest, and that would be 66. 4 times 2, that basically means 8, not 8, 4 plus 4, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 in each, and if you do that, that goes 8. Word problems. 1 and 5, I guess. There is a total of 20 chickens in a coop. 8 ran away during a storm, and 5 are struck by lightning. How many chickens are left in the coop? So it says that there's a total of 20 chickens at first, and there's a storm, and 8 run away, so I have to subtract 8 chickens. So that is a total of 12 chickens left. And then it says that there's 5 that got struck by lightning, so they died. So you subtract 5 again. And then if you do that, that means there's 7 chickens left. Okay, Sally and her dad went to catch some fish. Sally caught 5 fish, and her dad caught 8 fish. They decided to throw back three of their fish into the ocean. How many fish do there left in total? So, Sally caught 5 fish, and then her dad caught 8 fish. So we have to add that first, which that equals 13. And then they said they decided to throw back 3 into the ocean. That means they threw it back in, so they have to subtract 3. And if you do that, and if you subtract that, it equals 10. So they have 10 fish in total.